It is disheartening that these little things have become an unfortunate politicized symbol, when they really are just a simple safety measure that helps protect our community. In the same vein as seatbelts, life jackets, and speed limits. The worldwide medical community is still learning about this virus, including how it spreads. In the beginning, the medical community didn't recommend healthy people wear masks as a way to protect themselves. This was based on the fact that the medical community didn't have the evidence yet of pre-symptomatic or asymptomatic spread, and because we were preserving PPE for our medical providers. As we learned about the prevalence of pre-symptomatic and asymptomatic spread, and examined evidence that even a simple cloth face covering could block many droplets from reaching others, the recommendation changed. It would be unacceptable if you learned new information and did nothing with it. Wearing a cloth face covering when you can't socially distance is a recommendation from the CDC, Tennessee Department of Health, the U.S. Surgeon General, the American Medical Association, the American Hospital Association, the American Nursing Association, area hospitals, and the National Institutes of Health and Johns Hopkins, just to name a few. When you are in public places, when at least 6 feet of distancing cannot be maintained. The Board of Health's decision last week means it is now required in most indoor public spaces. You don't need to wear a mask when you are only around those you live with, or when you're outdoors and at least 6 feet of distancing can be maintained. As we get through this, I ask everyone to show kindness to others. Whether you agree with wearing a face covering or not, it helps no one when we are unkind to others. The board did discuss enforcement at the meeting last week and agreed the intent is to issue warnings and, if possible, provide face masks to those who do not have one. Those concerned about violations are encouraged to call 311 or our phone bank at 215-5555 so the complaints can be filed. And while we may not all agree on the best path forward, I think we share the same goal in the end. And please remember, we really are in this together.